Hey everyone, it's Seasalt here, and the Halloween event for KARUTA is finally here. It started a couple of days ago, but I thought it'd be great just to walk you guys through how it works and my thoughts about the event really quickly. If you guys haven't already read, definitely head over to KARUTA Hub's announcement channel to read up on the event. It's a very simple one, very easy event to understand, not hard at all. So just to give you guys a quick overview about the event, the main currency of this Halloween event is candy. And there exists three types of candy, right? There's a sweet Halloween candy, the sour Halloween candy, and the Halloween chocolate bar. The way you get candy is through dropping your cards, like a regular drop KD. It appears as the last button or reaction in the set of drops, so you click on that and you'll get the Halloween candy. For example, if I have my drop up, I do. Pops up. Nope, it doesn't pop up, but this Halloween candy react will be right here after my fourth reaction. It's the very last one in the set of cards, right? The dropper of the candy will always get the candy, and if it's a server drop, you know, the same RNG mechanic, fight mechanic ensues. So exactly the same as if it were a card itself. From my experience, I think the amount you get per reaction clicked is a random amount between 1 to 3, and in my experience, I feel like I get more sour candy than I do sweet candy, like a lot more. And I've seen on like markets and stuff that sweet candy is worth a little bit more than sour candy. So I don't know if that's, you know, obviously any of this information is not public. It's just my thoughts and stuff like that. So, you know, and also I've actually roughly kept track of the amount of candy drops I've gotten from my drops. So just as an extra data point in how often you get the reaction, I'd say it's around, I've gotten 7 candy reactions and around 70 drops, and so just take that as you will. You know, I'd say it's around 8 to 12%, but just from hearing from other people have experienced as well. But just take that number with a grain of sea salt. I think the drop rate for candy in the server drops is higher as well, so keep your eyes peeled for that. In terms of current market rates, candies usually go for around 1.5 candies is equal to 1 ticket, so 3 candies equals to 2 ticket at the current moment. Chocolate bars are worth around 35 tickets, and you might be wondering why. What do they do? Why are they worth so much? So there are 2 main actions that you can take for this event, right? 2 main actions. So let me go back to KARUTA Hub here. And the first action is trading in your candy to Momiji, which is KARUTA's Halloween Witch, for a Halloween frame box. And once you open up that box, you can get 1 of 5 random frames in the box that you can keep. And so the amount of candy she wants to trade in for a Halloween frame box changes every 2 hours. So, you know, 1 hour she might need 30 sweet candy and 20 sour candy, or another hour she might need 35 sour and 15 sweet candy, etc. It'll always add up to 50 candies in total, but Momiji will always like switch, you know, tastes every 2 hours. She also takes a chocolate bar always. She always loves chocolate bars, so those are worth a lot. You just trade 1 of those into her and you'll get a Halloween frame box. So to trade in the candies for the box, simply type K event, right? It'll show how much candy you need. So right now at the current moment, it needs 19 sweet candy and 31 sour Halloween candy to trade in for a box. And it sees right here that candy requirements change in 1 hour from when you type this command. So if you want to trade it in, I'm going to go ahead and trade it in. So I'm going to press this candy reaction emoji, and you have received a Halloween frame box. So to see how many or what kind of frames are in the box, just type in KII Halloween frame box. And you can just kind of sift through the frames that you can get. So you can get the Witch's Broom frame, the Cursed Place frame, the TP'd frame, Living Dead frame, and Pumpkin King frame. All pretty like Halloween themed. They're gorgeous. They're nice. And as a collector myself, I definitely want to get all of them before the event ends. So definitely do that. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Simple command K use Halloween frame box. And
oh, poop.
Bam, we get the Cursed Place box, which is the one I did not want the most. But alas, we get that, and it's all right. So that's how the first action, you know, is done in terms of trading it in, what they need, and what you can get out of it. The second action that you can take from this event is called the Halloween Morph, and you can use this command by typing in K Morph. So the regular morph command KM sweet candy works. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull out a random mid quality card to test out the morph and show you guys. This is African right here. Simply type in K Morph or KM, the card code, and like sour candy. and it'll prompt you if you want to morph using the candy, and just press the check mark, and a random morph, it's kind of more like a trim, will pop up. I don't know, like these like spooky ghosts, yeah, those like blue outlines right here. It's just mainly Halloween themed. I'm not personally the biggest fan. It's more of a trim than really a morph, but they're just fun. You can probably make it work on some cards. Personally, not sure. For me, I'm not going to use it for this purpose, but go ahead and try and have fun with that if you guys want to. But that's basically it. Let me see if I missed anything else. I don't think it did. Oh, it wraps up in November 1st, so in around 10 days from today, and candies will no longer be usable and you can't use them anymore. So definitely get rid of all your candies by then. But yeah, that's the first event we've seen in a while for Karuta. Hope you guys are excited. Get some candies in, get some free frames in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Bye.